I'm Penny Griffiths. I'm the registered manager of Brynnicau Care Home. I started in care in 1989. I was working in a local factory. I'd been there for 3 months and I really didn't like it at all. So I was just looking for something else. My sister was a care worker, so she suggested that. So I called in at Brynnicau and started there as a casual. I didn't have any expectations because I had no experience. But soon enough, I found I absolutely loved it. You're interacting with people, and I find helping people is very rewarding, and it was so much better than factory work. So I progressed. I did domestic work and care, but it was care that I really loved because you're getting to know people, you're making a difference. They give you the training as well. So the more training you get, the more knowledge you get, and then you've got more empathy with people then. If you want to be happy, you've got to help other people. And I think people look at care work and think, oh, you're going in and you're dressing and washing people and you're giving them their food. But that's the need. What you really get is helping people, making a difference. That's their life, that's their home. And you're helping them fit in. And I think if you interact with all of them, you know, they're all making friends with each other and it becomes a community. And I think that's the lovely thing about care work. And I started as a casual, but then I moved on. I wanted something a bit more responsibility. I did my NVQs. I did my NVQ Assessors Award. I got a senior care post, then moved up to manager post. I've gone off into the private sector as well and come back into social services. So if you want that bit more and you're willing to work for it, it's all there for you. It's not a dead-end job. It's not somewhere you go, you see to somebody's needs, you come home at the end of the day. There's so much more to it. I would recommend somebody go into care because of what you get back. I think it does you good. I think as a human being, if you can give to other people and make a difference, it's good for you. It's good for your soul. You know what I mean? It is though. It's a lovely, lovely job. And you can look back and think, I made a difference there. And I think that's what it's all about.